BlackRock enters Australian Bitcoin spot ETFs market as competition heats up. What to expect? Australia. Bitcoin ETFs. BlackRock. Building on successful rollout in the US, BlackRock brings its Bitcoin ETF to Australia, turning the market into a proving ground for regulated crypto access and testing the limits of ETF competition. Journalist Hassan Shittu. Journalist Hassan Shittu. About author Hassan, a cryptonews.com journalist with 6+ years of experience in Web3 journalism, brings deep knowledge across crypto, Web3 gaming, NFTs, and play-to-earn sectors. His work has appeared in Author Profile, Share, Copied, last updated, November 4, 2025. BlackRock is expanding its global footprint in digital assets with plans to launch the iShares Bitcoin ETF on the Australian Securities Exchange, ASX, by mid-November 2025. The move will bring the world's largest asset manager into one of the fastest-growing Bitcoin ETF markets outside the United States, intensifying competition among existing local issuers. The new ETF will charge a management fee of 0.39%, and will wrap the US-listed iShares Bitcoin Trust, providing Australian investors with regulated exposure to Bitcoin without the need to directly hold or manage the asset. BlackRock said the structure offers a cost-effective and operationally simple entry point into the cryptocurrency market. BlackRock takes on VanEck and Monochrome in Australia's booming Bitcoin ETF market. Tamara Stats, Director of Institutional Client Business at BlackRock Australasia, said the product responds to growing institutional interest in Bitcoin as a potential portfolio diversifier. Steve Ad, Head of Global Product Solutions, added that making IBIT available locally reflects BlackRock's focus on broadening access and democratizing investment opportunities for more Australians. BlackRock's arrival adds a heavyweight competitor to an already active Australian Bitcoin ETF sector. The top players include Global X21 Shares Bitcoin ETF, EBTC, VanEck Bitcoin ETF, VBTC, Monochrome Bitcoin ETF, IBTC, and DigitalX Bitcoin ETF, BTXX. These funds each manage between $150 million Australian dollars and $300 million Australian dollars in assets, with VanEck leading in liquidity and Global X and Monochrome maintaining strong inflows. Monochrome's IBTC, which holds over 1,000 BTC and 188 million Australian dollars in assets as of October, was the first in the country to directly hold Bitcoin. The entry of BlackRock's IBIT is expected to further elevate competition and liquidity within the market. It arrives at a time when local ETFs have shown strong performance aligned with Bitcoin's rally past $100,000, and when regulators are solidifying a framework to integrate crypto products into Australia's mainstream financial system. BlackRock's entry follows its recent expansion into the United Kingdom, where its iShares Bitcoin ETF, IB1T, debuted on the London Stock Exchange in October. The physically backed product, custodied by Coinbase, marked the reopening of the UK's retail crypto market following the Financial Conduct Authority's reversal of its 2021 ban on crypto exchange-traded products. ASIC expands digital asset oversight. BlackRock reports $104 billion in crypto AUM. The launch comes as Australia's corporate regulator, the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, ASIC, updates its stance on digital assets. Under new guidance issued last week, most digital assets, including wrap tokens, stablecoins, tokenized securities, and digital wallets, are now classified as financial products. Firms dealing with such products must obtain an Australian Financial Services License, AFSL, by June 30, 2026. While Bitcoin itself is not a financial product, ASIC clarified that investment vehicles and services offering Bitcoin exposure may fall under regulatory oversight. To ease the transition, ASIC has introduced a no-action position until mid-2026, allowing providers time to comply with the licensing requirements. Additionally, in the 2025 financial year, AFCA received 159 crypto-related complaints, mostly linked to scams and poor disclosure practices. Globally, BlackRock's iShares platform remains a major revenue driver. In its latest quarterly report, the firm said its ETFs attracted a record $205 billion in net inflows in the third quarter alone, with $17 billion coming from its digital asset ETFs. Year-to-date inflows have reached $34 billion, bringing total crypto assets under management to nearly $104 billion. The iShares Bitcoin Trust, which launched less than 2 years ago, has become BlackRock's most profitable ETF, generating nearly $245 million in annual fees and surpassing long-standing funds such as the iShares Russell 1000 Growth ETF and the iShares MSCI ETH ETF. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics. Price predictions. Live Fed Payments Innovation Conference. Real-time updates as Federal Reserve discusses crypto, stablecoins, and AI with industry leaders. Crypto market prospect. After the washout, the soil looks richer. Why is crypto down today? November 3, 2025. Google's Gemini AI predicts the price of XRP, Cardano, Aster by the end of 2025. Why is crypto down today? November 4, 2025. Crypto regulation news. U.S. senators push to finalize crypto market bill as shutdown standoff deepens. Report. 4 days ago, by Hassan Shittu. Price analysis. Ethereum price prediction. Rich Dad Poor Dad author warns of November crash, but ETH could soar while everything else crashes. 1 day ago, by Ahmed Balaha. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. Only 2% away from a major breakout zone. Big move is about to begin. Best crypto to buy now in November 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 16 hours ago, by Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 8 hours ago, by Inesis Tavares. Best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 12 hours ago, by Alan Draper. 12 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in November 2025. 11 hours ago, by Elijah Rankovich. 12 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 23 hours ago, by Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 5 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. October 24, 2025, by Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 29, 2025, by Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. 11 hours ago, by Ben Beto.